literal description of the bag in the name, it's all a part of who David Muir is. And I have no apology for that. It's a big part of how I live my life. I don't apologize for being myself, and everything about what I do is really literal. So I know people think that, there's hidden meanings in a lot of things. With me, if you just ask, I tell you plain. Everything is exactly as you see. And that, I think, works because as being myself, it just really works for my brand. There's no second guessing it. David is exactly as you see him. So it's a bag, it's a music, it's my heritage, it's my style. Everything about what is here is really just about who is David Muir. So I hope that adequately answers about the bag. And if you do want to get the bag is available on islandniche.com. So it's island, Niche.com. You can get side Muir bag there. The bag prices range from $300 to $300. We have 6 different designs to the bag. Now I understand that on the website I actually have it for less. I don't authorize that, but it's there for less. If you want to buy it, you can go. I hear there's one there for like $280 and one for $250. But all the bags cost $300. That's the price, and if you get it for less, you're lucky because the website people have it for less, but they're all $300. They're hand-sewn, they're all made locally here in Florida, and you get the value. It will last forever. I've been wearing this bag since it was designed 2 years ago, and it's in perfect condition. It gets every single day batter bruising, but it is strong, it is built to last, and it's worth every penny. So if you like the style, you're welcome to go to islandniche.com and purchase the bag. Next question.
I am going to get used onto your next one. All right, next question.
Go ahead.
I know you're involved with